about that retarded shit or what?
You know what? I'm sick of motherfuckers talking about my niggas as demigods. Y'all just mad cause we don't walk around with our thumbs in our ass like the rest of y'all fucking jokers.
You need a cavalry squad to battle these gods with apathy rocks. To even the odds, you need cops after me with ascot. I'm living proof that I rule with ease, cooler with cheese, fooling all you foolish MCs. When you're talking to a chick, I'm popping off at the lip. I'm always thinking about you rappers in the coffin and shit. Scientists will try to document how often I spit to estimate the average body count for squashing a click. Rappers are getting wrecked due to lack of respect. And y'all couldn't get signed if you was the back of a check. It's obvious, you little sucker motherfuckers copy this. Like my style for wild, you fake safe to floppy this.
Why did we even drop?
I haven't got the foggiest, but I turn bags into punch you back Rocky hits. On some Miyagi shit, split you in karate kicks, dragging you through the pits of HE double hockey sticks. We'll crush your click. We'll fuck your bitch, fuck your bitch. Don't give a fuck, cause your shit sucks. It sucks. We'll crush your click. We'll fuck your bitch, fuck your bitch. Don't give a fuck, cause your shit sucks.
I am the feature presentation. Your rhymes are just a segment. A bitch could just look at me and get herself pregnant. I make bustin' a gat look good cause I hold it well. In second grade I brought a live grenade to class to show and tell. It's obvious they ain't no rival of a crazy motherfucker. The dictionary and find a picture of self-titled. I'm accurate when I terrorize. I am unique. Fuck around and be in a wheelchair as a paralyzed amputee. Can't you see? I'm like Chuck Norris swinging his nunchucks. Pimp slapping these young sluts, spilling guts out of you dumb fucks. Spit flames in battles, leave you cooked in ashes. Illiterate son of a bitch, you couldn't read a book of matches, faggot. You know my stilo, I be bringing niggas the best beats. Niggas that test me get so shook they diagnosed with epilepsy. I spit twice when I rip mics, nigga, I've been nice. Fill you up with bullet holes and play the flute with your windpipe. Slice you into pieces and you still ain't even half a man. Take cover while I'm throwing rocks at you like cats in Pakistan. Slap you in my gap pack and backhand, you half-ass rap fan. Whenever my track jam, even the preacher saying, God damn.
We'll crush your click. We'll fuck your bitch, fuck your bitch. Don't give a fuck, cause your shit sucks. It sucks. We'll crush your click. We'll fuck your bitch, fuck your bitch. Don't give a fuck, cause your shit sucks. You ain't the man shining. You need a hand with your rhyming. I'll blow your fucking head off like a dandelion. I jump in the arena and stand up to the lions. Expand like the DNA strand in man's science. Follow old scrolls to go on Spanish islands. Pirate of the Caribbean, brandish your iron. Incredible, my rap is like a chemical drug. Tongues buzz like metal touching electrical plugs. Even skeptical accept the skill of factual proof. Spit my raps through the mic and fracture the glass in the booth. And when it's time to spit, fuck that complex shit. I'd rather get crunk and fuck a project chick.
We blast cats with the artillery cannons attached to the back of the black van, and me and that cause damaging. Brandishing weapons with analytical, tactical technicians, calculating coordinates to guide missiles and victims. For no apparent reason, we could leave you bleeding in the bathroom stall until the custodian comes and scrubs the walls. Niggas is ass out like Black Beach Weekend. I know you rap weak when speaking, my tribe is like the last Mohicans.
We'll crush your click. We'll fuck your bitch, fuck your bitch. Don't give a fuck, cause your shit sucks. It sucks. We'll crush your click. We'll fuck your bitch, fuck your bitch. Don't give a fuck, cause your shit sucks.
I'll take your girl and get her in the shower. Molest her with a shampoo bottle for half an hour. You know how we do when apathy and self-title come through. Your wife's a slut. She better wash her stuff. Niggas jocking my beats while you just beat your meat.